Student, this is commerce differentiation chapter exercise 3.2. ओके 3.1 हमने लास्ट लेक्चर में कंप्लीट कर लिया था और ये भी 3.2 का यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 सेकेंड प्रॉब्लम है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 मैंने इसके पहले एक वीडियो डाला है, उसमें क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 कंप्लीट करके क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम उसमें कवर कर दिया है. नाउ इट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 सेकेंड प्रॉब्लम. वी हैव टू फाइंड द रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ demand with respect to price. We have to find the rate of change of demand with respect to price. Means we have to find the value for dx upon dy. We have to find the value of dx upon dy. So using regular method, we will first find the derivative, differentiate y with respect to x. We will first find the value for dy by dx. Okay, so it is differentiate with respect to x. So what is dy by dx? It is d by dx of x plus 2 divided by x square plus 1. Okay, so it is, see, if you see numerator as well as denominator, both are functions of x which are in division. Numerator and denominator, both the functions are of x which are in division. So we will apply here u by v rule. We will apply here u by v rule. And what it is, this rule starts with v, derivative. So denominator, so it is v into, what is v? X square plus 1 into derivative of x plus 2 minus x plus 2 into derivative of x square plus 1 divided by v square. अगर आपको डिवीजन का रूल पता है है, सी व्हाट इज दैट रूल, वो रूल क्या है? dy by dx we will denote it by y dash. So it is v into u dash minus u into v dash divided by v square. v into u dash मतलब क्या? डेरिवेटिव ऑफ u minus u into v dash means what? डेरिवेटिव ऑफ v divided by v square, where u is numerator and v is denominator. Okay, and middle sign is minus. So we have applied here this rule, v into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v divided by v square. Okay, so here it is x square plus 1 as it is, x square plus 1 as it is, derivative of x plus 2, derivative of x plus 2, x का डेरिवेटिव क्या आ जाएगा यहाँ पे? व्हाट इज द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x? 1, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ कांस्टेंट इज 0 माइनस x plus 2 into derivative of x square. Derivative of x square is 2x, derivative of constant is 0 divided by x square plus 1 bracket square, x square plus 1 bracket square. So it is x square plus 1 into 1 plus 0 means what? Into 1. तो आपने ये ब्रैकेट को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, वैल्यू रिमेन सेम, माइनस x plus 2 into 2x divided by x square plus 1 bracket square. So what is the value for dy by dx? dy by dx का फाइनल वैल्यू कितना आएगा यहाँ पे? So it is x square plus 1. If you check here, ये 2x को अगर आप इसके x के साथ मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हो and if you apply here minus sign, so it will become minus 2x square, 2 into 2x into 2 minus of 4x divided by x square plus 1 bracket square. So what is the final answer? अगर आप न्यूमरेटर देखोगे तो मैं पहले यहाँ पे 1 लिख देती हूँ, माइनस 2x स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर कितना हो जाएगा यहाँ पे? माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 4x डिवाइडेड बाय x square plus 1 bracket square, x square plus 1 bracket square. This is your value for dy by dx. But what we require, so by derivative of inverse function, what we require? Dx upon dy. We require the value for dx upon dy, so which is nothing but 1 upon dy by dx. What I said, you can directly take here the reciprocal, so it will become x square plus 1 bracket square divided by 1 minus 4x minus x square. बस मैंने minus 4x पहले लिख दिया और minus x square. Okay, so this is nothing but what it is, dx upon dy is the rate of, hence the rate of change of demand with respect to price. With respect to price is given by x square plus 1 bracket square divided by 1 minus 4x minus x square. Okay, now we will see the second problem, third problem, question number 2. This is question number 2 third problem. Question number 2 third problem. y is equal to 5x plus 9 divided by 2x minus 10. Again the same method, we have to find the value of dx upon dy. But as the function is given in the form of y, we will first find the derivative of y with respect to x, means we will find the dy by dx. Okay, so here it is differentiate with respect to x. So what is dy by dx? It is d by dx of 5x plus 9 divided by 2x minus 10. Again, if you see the numerator and denominator both are functions of x, so we will apply here u by v rule. And what it is, rule क्या है, derivative y dash means dy by dx. What is the rule? V into u dash minus u into v dash divided by v square. First function into denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator by v square. So we will apply this rule. So starting with v means what? Denominator. So it is 2x minus 10 into derivative of u into derivative of u. What is u? Numerator 5x plus 9, middle sign, minus 5x plus 9 into derivative of 2x minus 10 into derivative of 2x minus 10 divided by 2x minus 10 bracket square. Okay, so here it is 2x minus 10 derivative of 5x. So if you check here, 5 scalar taken outside, derivative of x is 1. 5 scalar taken outside, derivative of x is 1, plus derivative of constant is 0. This is scalar, so derivative of constant is 0. 5x plus 9 derivative of 2x, 2 scalar taken outside, derivative of x is 1, minus derivative of 10 का derivative कितना हो जाएगा? 0. constant का derivative हो जाएगा 0, divided by 2x minus 10 bracket square. 2x minus 10 bracket square. So it is equal to 2x minus 10 into 5, 5x plus 9 into 2 divided by 2x minus 10 bracket square. So it is 10x minus 50. See, 5 into 2 10x minus 50 minus, again it is 10x minus 18. 9 into 2 is 18 with minus sign. Okay, so divided by 2x minus 10 bracket square. Okay, so 10x and minus 10x get cancelled. What is remaining? You can take out minus 50 and minus 18 is minus 68 divided by 2x minus 10 bracket square. This is the value of dy by dx. This is the value of dy by dx. Okay, what we require? So by derivative of inverse function, by derivative of inverse function, what is dx upon dy? 1 upon dy by dx. It is nothing but the reciprocal of this term. So 2x minus 10 bracket square divided by minus 68. So here you can write 68 with minus sign, you can write in the numerator. Okay, this is the value of dx upon dy, which is nothing but, hence you can write here the rate of change of demand with respect to price is given by minus of 2x minus 10 square divided by 68. This is your final answer. Okay, so with this note, exercise 3.2 from differentiation chapter from commerce syllabus, from new syllabus from commerce section completed. Thank you.